Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hit your notification button. Country Girl, Country Boss, 306, Undocumented, Nuclear, Rebel, Canada, England, America, Africa, the Caribbean, on the big up of yourself. Yo, a video just come in a while. And if you look on that video, the man them do it again. You know, the broad day, early morning, so the man them jump out of one car. 4 of them in all the driver down. And let them stop here, man. When is this going to stop? Need a little dirty corner boy then. You understand? And it's just a constant. Listen, the people of Jamaica never get no break from crime and violence, dog. No, with that money I could have do them so. Cause I 4 of them, you know. Me don't understand how them bad money flex. Me don't understand how them flex. I 4 of them. All the driver. And then the boy with up on the right side. In a black shirt. Him look like him bloodthirsty. Cause I'm the first one for come out and the last one for come in a car. Notice all the bus. But then behind them, look at reverse that. What is really going on in Jamaica? So now, them do this and what them... Me I wonder if a money them get or if it's just an ego thing. How can we live in a society like this? That's my question. How can we live in a society like this? Let's move on. Okay. But you know what the biggest problem in all of this? Can somebody take a guess? I don't want me to tell you what the biggest problem we have with this. This kind of violence and them thing that are going on in the Prime Minister constituency. When you hear me I say, the Right Honourable Andrew Holness, this are going in a theme constituency. Now, I talk about this already. Chang, theme constituency in a Mobile is just the same like Andrews in a Kingston. Can anybody explain that to me? Or maybe I'm missing something, but this is where the Prime Minister constituencies, these people here put him in power. And look how they're living. Look how they're living. It's a shame and disgrace. Like I said, I hope the Prime Minister can do something about it because it really brings shame and disgrace to Jamaica and personally to him. Cause the whole of Jamaica have a problem, but your constituency and Cham constituency is the two worst constituency in the whole country. You're not doing anything to ease the people them from crime and economic. Me hear you talk about the gun thing for wait name there. I agree. A long time you should have do stuff like that. I didn't kind of talk to me like. You understand? And you should take it a step further. You see all the money